Hey guys, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to share a tip with you on how to keep your stuffing in place when you're making your amigurumi. So here I have my strawberry, and you can see it has these really cute cheeks, and I just want to make sure that once I stuff them, it doesn't go anywhere or migrate to any other part of the body. So I'm going to start by taking my stuffing and rolling it between my hands to kind of create a little ball. Whenever I'm stuffing a small space, such as this cheek, creating a little ball of stuffing just makes it easier to get it in there and have it stay in place. So there's my cheek all stuffed, and now I'm just going to repeat for the other cheek. So now both my cheeks are stuffed, and now I'm going to grab my yarn needle and I'm going to thread it with some yarn that matches the body of my plushie. Starting on the inside of the piece, I'm going to insert my needle near the edge of the cheek. Then I'm going to pull the needle and yarn almost all the way through, but I'm going to leave a little tail at the end. Then I'm going to insert my needle back into the body, about a stitch over, staying along the edge of the cheek. And I'll pull the yarn through. Then I'm going to insert my needle on the opposite side of the cheek, making sure that my yarn crosses over the mound of stuffing and then staying along the edge of the cheek. I'm going to tighten the yarn just a little bit, just enough so that it can keep the stuffing in place. And then on the right side of my amigurumi, I'm going to insert the needle about a stitch over, pull the yarn all the way through, and then repeat, crossing over to the opposite side of the cheek, staying at the edge, and creating another line going over the mound of stuffing. Now I'm just going to continue stitching around the edge of the cheek and then crossing my yarn over the stuffing until I've created this kind of crisscross pattern. Now I've gone all the way around my cheek and I've kind of created this little web of yarn that will keep my stuffing in place. Once I feel I have enough yarn covering my stuffing, I'm just going to stitch along the edge of the cheek until I'm back near the yarn tail from the beginning, and then I'm just going to knot my ends together. And here's my fully stuffed cheek, cleaning up a little bit of stray stuffing, and I'm just going to repeat for the other cheek. And here's the finished cheeks for my strawberry. You can use this technique when you're stuffing pieces such as a head or a snout of an animal. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.